welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out my very first perm rod set. I'm really excited. The night before I did this, I actually washed my hair, but it was so late that I couldn't do anything else. I was too tired, y'all. So I used the entire Mish Beauty hairline for my wash day and pretty much did everything except for the perm rod. Your girl was just way too tired. I just threw my bonnet on and I called it a night. So right now, you guys see I'm sectioning my hair in 6 different sections. And I'm giving each section like a spray of water so it can be nice and damp before I start. So in each section, I made 4 mini sections to work with and to do the actual twist and perm rods. I went ahead and detangled my hair again, even though I did it the night before, just to make sure that my hair would go nice and smooth on the rod. I'm also using the Mish Quench Hydrating and Twisting Butter as my cream today. So as you guys see, I'm trying the Janae Mason technique. So what she does is she twists her hair into 2-strand twist about 1/4 of the way down. Then she smooths out the rest of the hair. I'm using my Tangle Teaser throwback. I haven't used that in a while. Before smoothing my hair onto the rod in an upward motion. And I'm just going to do that to the rest of my hair and showing you guys like a close-up of what I'm doing. Yeah, as you guys see, I'm like trying to smooth out my hair onto the rod with my fingertips just to get the hair as smooth as possible onto the rod. So as you guys see, I have many different sizes, mainly because that's how I bought it. But I use the bigger sizes in the back and the smaller in the front. In hindsight, I definitely want to get more of the purple and gray, which are the smallest sizes, as I really like those sections, the way those sections came out the best. So yeah, I have to just go to like Sally's or something and get more of those sizes. But another close-up, just showing you guys how I am doing it. So I twisted it about 1/4 of the way down, smoothed it out with my Tangle Teaser, and just smoothing it upward in an upward motion on the rod with my finger. Y'all, I'm so glad I decided to do this the morning after I washed my hair, because when I tell y'all it took me forever to do these, oh, Lord have mercy. Hopefully next time I do this, it will be a lot quicker. As you guys know, this is my first time doing this, so it took me a while to kind of like get the hang of doing all this. But oh my goodness, it took me forever. I never would have been able to do it the night before if I did it. Like, oh, I couldn't. Anyway, so Once I finished that, I did sit under the dryer, my hooded dryer, for like an hour, and then I let the rods just sit in my hair for like another few hours before taking it out, which you guys will see in a minute. All right, so a few hours later, I went ahead and I took them out. I'm rolling the rods out in the opposite direction instead of just pulling them out, just to hopefully have the curls come out the way that I want them to. So, can't even lie to y'all. I felt like the curls was looking a little weird. They was looking very Shirley Temple Easter Sunday back in 1995 kind of look. But I did like how curly it was. But anyway, it's time to separate. So y'all saw that I got the Miche Polish hair and scalp oil, which I love. It smells delicious. To separate and fluff. And I was just hoping that I wasn't going to look so Shirley Temple-like. So after I finished fluffing, I actually kind of liked it. But one, my curls weren't all the way dry, which is a blow. But I also messed up. You guys will see in a minute. I like took some bobby pins trying to make a bang. And I definitely was looking like a bad third grade picture. Like, y'all know them pictures y'all have? Maybe it's just me. Anyway, but either way, I actually really like the perm rods, besides the whole bang trying thing and the fact that my hair wasn't as dry. I think I just need some more practice, and it probably needs a little less fluff so it's not so frizzy. I love Miche Beauty, as y'all know, but you know, I'll also experiment with some other products in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my very first perm rod set. Please let me know if you guys have some tips for me on what I can do to make it better. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below. Also, make sure that you are following me on Instagram. It's just my name, Imani Shakir. I'm going to be having a lot of content over there very soon, so you don't want to miss it, as well as an IG wash day that I'm excited about. So make sure y'all head on over there. Other than that, I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.